There are coloring books on Amazon right now, quietly selling that most people never even think to create. They're not trending, they're not being talked about as much, and they're definitely not the first ideas that come to mind, but they're working. So today I want to show you some popular but under the radar KDP coloring book ideas perfect for AI, because when you take a deeper look into Amazon, you start to find some similarities with these niches. They have demand, they're getting attention, but they haven't been overrun yet. And that's where things start to get interesting, especially now that AI makes it much easier to actually create these books without overcomplicating everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few of these ideas that you want to be paying attention to if you want success with Amazon KDP. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first popular but under the radar AI KDP coloring book idea is going to be the monochrome nature coloring book. Now, this one's not going to be too competitive. It's a sub niche within the monochrome coloring book, but I decided to focus on the nature theme. And as you can see, total results 402, so not too competitive here. You're gonna have a great chance here at getting your book seen, which means the possibility of getting it sold. And we see a very, very high niche score here from Titan's Quick View of 80. Titan's Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. So everything here looks good numbers wise. And going through the first page, as you know with my videos, I like to look for books that show demand. And that means I like to look for books that have a bestsellers rank of at least 300,000 or below, which just basically tells me that these books are consistently selling. And right off the bat, the first book, 13,149 BSR. Peep the royalties right here. Look at that, $1,700 to over $2,600 per month in estimated royalties. These are royalties that are coming to the publisher's pocket after the book is sold, after all of the fees are paid. This is what goes into the publisher's pocket. And going on to the second book, ranking of 27,309. And so royalties estimated anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 per month. The next one right here, which is the same book. This is just the sponsored version. So the book after that, 101,000. So quite a bit of a drop off, but royalties still decent here, $300 to $500 per month. This one right here, 27,309, which is the same as this one, and this is just a sponsored post. So let's move on to the next. This one, 115,000 BSR, up to $400 per month. This one, 85,000 BSR, up to $533 per month. This one, 45,000 BSR, $84 per month. And that is because look how low the pricing is. So if you price your book higher, you're going to see higher royalties right here. But obviously, since this book was just recently released, this could be a tactic that they use to get some reviews and get some sales and rankings in before they start to increase the price. This one drop off at 630,000, but the reviews are there. So that's actually very good. And then a few more books here doing well, 341,000, 167,000, and so on and so forth. So you can see the demand here. Even this one, monochrome, trippy and groovy coloring book, a different sub niche, but looks like it could do well, 37,000 BSR, upwards of $1,200 per month in estimated royalties, as well as this one right here, botanicals. This one's doing well as well, $1,465 per month in estimated royalties with a book ranking of 30,491. Now, if we take a look at this example, the monochrome nature coloring book for adults and seniors, this one, 30 illustrations, so not very long. As you can see, only 86 pages overall, but this has a price of $9.99. So you can price it at more of a premium. Customers will still buy it. And you can see 4.5 out of 5 rating, 71% is a 5-star. So the interiors of this book is actually what powers the rating right here. Now, the cover of the book is actually what gets people to buy the book. So that's why you want a good cover, but ultimately you do want a great interior. And looking at the interior, so on the left here is what it should look like when it's complete. And on the right is the actual coloring page for these books. And as you can see, some more examples on the back cover. So another example of what it actually looks like inside the book, and then what it should look like once it's complete. Now with the A+ content, there's actually some more pages here of the interior. So we can see exactly how they put this book together. There are X's here where it designates where to color, and then everything else is left blank. And as you can see, the before and after. So very good A+ content. And that's probably part of the reason why this book is selling well, is because the interiors are actually high quality, and also the A+ content, the cover, all those things all add on to actually getting the book sold. Now, the next popular but under the radar AI niche is going to be this National Parks coloring book. Now, total results 662, so not very competitive here. Niche score 61, and then the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And then going through the first page here, there's quite a few books here from other publishers. This one right here is independently published. National Parks coloring book. You can see the royalties $2,500 to $3,800 per month, which is very, very good, with a ranking of 16,809. Here's one right here that's independently published, but it has a 1 million BSR, but it has actually a lot of ratings, 101 global ratings, 89% is a 5-star. So there's been some kind of drop off with this book, but here's another one right here, a couple $100 per month. And then scrolling down, here's another one right here, a couple $100 per month. This one, same thing, couple $100 per month. So definitely some demand here. This one, couple $100 per month, couple $100 per month for this one right here. And then here's one, a nature coloring book for adults. This one's doing very, very well, a bestseller, $4,000 to over $6,500 per month in estimated royalties. Now, if we take a look at this example, the National Parks coloring book for adults, relaxing landscapes with beautiful nature scenes to color. $12.95 is the price, so a little bit more of a premium here. Standard, I would say, is about $9.99. But this book is still selling, not very long, only 30 illustrations, as you can see right here. And then 72 pages is the overall print length. So not a very lengthy book, but still has very good reviews. 5-star, 73%. The second biggest is a 4-star, but the third biggest is actually a 1-star, which is actually kind of interesting. Now, actually, part of the reason why it's a little bit higher in price is because the interior is in full color. As you can see right here, there is a map of the United States in full color, and then as well there's some color in these pages. But when you get to this point right here, this is just all black and white. So as you can see, here's one national park. The blank page is just a black page with the national parks in America, and then here's another national park right here, another national park right here. Definitely something that AI can create. So a great theme here and a great idea to actually create this type of book. Now, the next popular but under the radar AI niche is going to be this cute, cozy garden coloring book. Total results, once again, not too competitive here, 664. We see here a niche score 56, Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. And then some books here. So the book in the first ranking has a million BSR, so not that great. But when we get to some more of these books, this one right here, 300,000 BSR, so kind of on that threshold that I look for, but it's not independently published. It is a different publisher right there. Here's one on that 300,000 threshold, is making some sales. The sales is not too much here. Here's a bestseller, making anywhere from $13,000 to almost $20,000 per month. This one called Garden Cuties, making a couple $100 per month. Cozy Nature, anywhere from $1,000 to over $1,400 per month in royalties. And that is with a bestsellers rank of 30,477. Now, if we actually take a look at that book, this one has 40 illustrations, so totaling 88 pages. Once again, not a very lengthy book, and I've shown you many times, once you start creating these pages with AI, 40 illustrations is actually not that much. In my tutorials, I usually do 5 illustrations, and those 5 illustrations are usually produced in a matter of 5 minutes total. Now, this is priced at $9.99, more of that common pricing point for these types of books. And when we look at the interior, you can see it's that bold and easy type of look. Definitely something that AI can create, and some pages on the back cover here. And if we actually look at the A+ content here, we can see the type of art style here is something I wouldn't say that AI can create right now. It can do these thick lines and these nice bold lines, but this is the type of style that probably is done by an artist, but definitely something that I think AI can replicate in the near future. Now, the next popular but under the radar AI niche is going to be the Highland Cow coloring book. Now, this is going to be the least competitive of the bunch. Total results only 264. The niche score of 57, and then times pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And then going through these books here, you're going to have a lot of books that are selling actually quite well. Not one single bestseller, but as a whole, this niche tends to do quite well. Look at the royalties here, 266 to 400, independently published. All of these books are independently published on the first row, and every single one of these books are selling. This one, $88 to $132, $178 to $266, $300 to $500, $400 to almost $700 per month. And then with the next row, same kind of deal. All KDP books, and all of these books are selling. When we get to the third row here, you get 2 books right here, this one as well as this one, which is a bestseller, but it's not really in this niche. These are not KDP books, but the other 3 are. And as you can see, they're all selling. This one right here, Highland Cow, you can see right there, up to $500 per month. And that's kind of the deal with this niche. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the Highland Cow coloring book. So 50 illustrations. This is the one that was estimated to be making over $500 per month. So that's actually pretty good in this niche. Price at $9.99, and total is 103 pages. So a little bit more lengthy than that 40 pages that I usually see with these coloring books. But as we can see with the rating, 5-star, 88%. So very good on the interiors. And if you can see right here, definitely looks like it was created by AI, has kind of that styling that AI does, but nonetheless, it's selling very, very well. As you can see, this is kind of like an older version of AI because it's not very clean. And the great thing about KDP is you can actually update the interiors. So at any time AI gets better, you can recreate these images, have it cleaned up, and produce a much overall better book without actually affecting your bestsellers rank. Now, the next popular but under the radar AI niche is gonna be the wildlife coloring book for seniors. Now, this one has a little bit higher results here, 1,804. So this is the type of niche that I would recommend trying KDP ads to just get your book a little bit of a boost. Now, the niche score is a 56, times pro analysis, demand is a 5. Opportunity is a 7, and looking through here, here's a book ranking about 300,000, so about $100 per month. Another book here, same publisher, 300,000. This one, $20 to $40 per month. Here's one right here, ranked at 51,000. This book is anywhere from $500 to almost $800 per month. Here's one on horses and wildlife, a couple $100 per month. Here's one on animals and wildlife, $200 to $400 per month. And then here's one on cats and wildlife, $200 to $400 per month. Now, if we take a look at this book, this one's titled Simple Coloring Book for Adults and Seniors, large print. This one's priced at $9.99, over 50 illustrations, so totaling 108 pages. And this is going to be a large print type of book. So what's the difference between large print and a normal coloring book? Well, in this case, there's really no difference other than the title and the designation. Because really the only large print part of this book is going to be these words right here, which really have nothing to do with the book. When you actually get to the interior, it's just really bold lines and enlarged. So it's just a larger picture. But as you can see, this is definitely something that could have been made with AI. But like I said, that's totally okay because depending on the niche and depending on the type of book that you're creating, look at this, 4.6 out of 5, 84% is a 5-star. And looking at more of these interiors, you can see nothing too great. Looks like it was created by an older version of AI, but definitely something that you can create with AI right now. And these are books that are geared towards seniors. So seniors tend to not complain as much with their coloring books. They tend to just enjoy the book for what it is, and they don't really question if it's AI or not. So definitely a great type of customer to target if you're scared of those reviews or those complaints coming from certain types of customers. So hopefully this gave you a few solid ideas to work with. These niches may not be obvious, but that's exactly what makes them worth exploring. If you take the time to research and find more under the radar niches, but still have plenty of demand, you give your books a much better chance of being seen and sold. If you like this type of list video, or you want me to take a deeper dive into one of these niches, let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach Amazon KDP, you can grab my KDP royalty roadmap in the description down below. It's completely free and it'll walk you through the process from start to finish. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. That being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.